This is a Yokohama ADVAN Sport EV V108, a high-performance summer tyre designed especially for electric sedans, SUVs and estates. It's available in sizes from 18 to 22 inches and is suitable for powerful saloons, coupes and SUVs. On dry roads, you can trust this tyre will give you excellent performance. It's got a high rigidity outer shoulder, which is going to give you confidence and grip in cornering, especially stability and responsiveness. And when the rain comes, you're covered. This tyre features a wider 3+1 main grooves for superior water drainage, coupled with special tread compound that supports wet grip even whilst keeping rolling resistance low. Before we continue, don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date on the latest tyre and industry advice. Comfort is another key focus, as this tyre includes something called silent foam, a polyurethane foam layer designed to dramatically reduce road noise transmitted into the vehicle, meaning a quieter, more refined ride. And to also help with efficiency, the compound blends ultra-micro silica, a silane coupling agent and polymers to balance rolling resistance with wet performance, so you get more range without giving up safety. So there we have it, that is the Yokohama ADVAN Sport EV, a great tyre for drivers looking for comfort, stability and safety for their electric car.